Welcome everyone. Today is Tuesday, December 1st. And for those of you who are trading current market movement, you already know what Tuesday means. It's the best time to trade. So I don't want to go into the whole explanation why that is. If you check out the previous videos, go back a couple of weeks, or the first weekend or the second week in November, and I explain all of that. So here in this video, what I want to go over is I want to go over the daily financial market report, of course, and I want to talk about the MAS score a little bit. Of course, always before you start, make sure you know that the research has been completed and the date is reflective there. Okay, let's see what else. So we are here on the second day. As you notice, the MAS score here for the Forex market, we can see that it's starting to decline. So we're going to see some storms coming, especially if it falls under 50%. We already know that we're going to see some red. If we see some red, then you know that's a storm. Okay, green, you know, everything is pretty much good. All right. And let's see, commodities market. It's a slight drop in the MAS score, 92%. Okay, we do see some stresses taking place in the commodities market with silver and gold. All right, so we're definitely keeping our eye on that. What we did notice was gold versus silver had a very interesting situation take place with silver. What could it mean? I don't know. Some volatility ahead, possibly, with the commodities market. We'll see. Okay. And we're also seeing some extreme stresses taking place with the energy side of the commodities market. All right. Cryptocurrency. We're seeing pretty much the same situation taking place, similar to yesterday, but we're definitely looking at some takeovers. And hey, I don't want to give out too much information with this, but if you want to learn more, sign up with our service or get a free trial. Okay. Indices market. We definitely see like a slight little drop in the indices market. That's because we had a couple of indices change position, and we also see some resilience taking place with some of these markets. Very, very, very interesting things taking place in the market. And today is a very short update. I just highly encourage you guys just to check out the service. You already know the speech, and I'm going to say it anyhow. If you want to get access to quality information that will help you and that will give you an edge on trading, especially if you're into the Forex, all right? Look, I don't spend time looking at other people's programs, so I can't really compare myself to anybody else out there because I just don't know what else is really out there except for what I used to go through in the past before I started the Forex Helper. So that's all I really know as far as what's out there. And then I hear certain things from our members that do come in. So I can't really compare myself with anybody else out there, and I really won't do that. All I can say is if you take a chance and do this on your own and see for yourself, you know, what is 10 days, you know, going to hurt you? It's going to help you. You're going to be able to open up your eyes, if anything, to a whole nother way of doing things. All right. Those of you who are in account management, trades have already been placed in your account for Tuesday. Already looking good, guys. Already looking good. And, one more thing too. I will begin starting the updates for the stock market report. Now the stock market report, I'm going to do that a little differently. I won't necessarily go over every stock. I'll tie it in with some news on certain stocks, and we're going to look at what they're doing and how they're doing with the news, and then I'll give you my analysis on one particular stock for that day. All right, because there's a lot of stocks, and it's actually doing very well because we're plugging in the CMV and CMM. That's it. We're plugging in current market movement, and we're plugging in current market value, and there you have it. It's doing it. So I'll even have a little top picks category. We used to have top picks. Those were the stars. On the daily financial market report, it would be indicated by a star, and we're going to introduce that again for those of you who just want kind of like a quick glance, and then we'll do that with the stock market report too. Now the stock market report will be free. Again, you would have to sign up with our broker. We're going to have some qualifications on that, but once you do that, guess what, guys? It's free. It's free. And you'll get access to the Google Docs as well as the Google Drive for the stock market report. All right, guys. So there you have it. I'll see you on tomorrow's update. God bless.